In a world facing uncertainty, conflict, and environmental challenges, the need for unity and trust has never been greater. Global Summit 2025 brings together world leaders, policymakers, visionaries, and changemakers to explore how trust-driven leadership and spiritual wisdom can inspire a sustainable future. From collaborative solutions on climate and economy to ethical technology, the summit will host inspirational addresses, plenary sessions, meditation retreats, and cultural programs. Guided by the spiritual leadership of the Brahma Kumaris, this summit is more than a conference. It is a movement towards peace, unity, and collective transformation. Join us at the Brahma Kumaris World Headquarters, Shantivan, from 10th to 13th October 2025. Inspiring a sustainable future. Together, let us create a world where harmony, trust, and sustainability thrive. Om Shanti.